Good afternoon, students. So last time we have seen exercise 11.2 till question number 6. Now go on to the question number 7. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped and each of its diagonals are 45 cm and 30 cm in length. So find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost of per meter square is rupees 4. So here we have to find the area of floor. Okay, what is given? We have given the shape of tiles that is in rhombus and the dimension, that is diameter of rhombus shaped tiles, that is 40 cm and 45 cm and 30 cm is the diameter. This is for the one tiles. How many tiles we have? 3000 tiles. So from that we are finding the area of total floor in which 3000 tiles are fitted, because we have to just polishing that tiles. So number of tiles 3000, that is in rhombus shape. Diameter is given, D1 is 45 and D2 is 30 cm. So area of one tile is equal to what? 1/2 D1 into D2. So 1/2 into 45 into 30, 2 15s are 30. Do the multiplication, you will get the answer 675 centimeter square. This centimeter we have to convert into meter square because we have given the cost in per meter square. So from here you can convert this into meter square. So area of 3000 tiles. One tiles the area is 675 centimeter square. So area of 3000 tiles will give you the total area of that particular floor. So 3000 into 675 divided by 10,000 meter square, because we are converting this now into meter square. So we have to divide by 10,000. So what is the answer? 202.5 meter square. This is the total area of the floor in which 3000 tiles are fitted, already fitted. So now cost of polishing 1 meter square area, that is rupees 4. So cost of polishing 202.5 meter square area is what? So 202.5 multiplied by 4. When you do the multiplication, you will get the answer, the rupees 810. So this is the total cost of polishing area, that is 202.5 meters square. So this is all about your question number 7. Move on to the next question. Question number 8. See question number 8. The question is, Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field. Its side along the river is parallel to and twice the side along the road. If the area of this field is 10,500 meters square and the perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is 100 meters, find the length of the side along the river. So students, just observe the diagram. This is the road side, this is the river side. In between the field is there, that is in the shape of trapezium. Now this road side and river side, these are the parallel sides. The distance between this, that is the height of this trapezium, that is 100 meters. Now what is given? The length of this road side and length of this river side. So river side length is twice of the whatever side of this road. So if you consider, suppose this side is x, so this side is 2x. So that we do the, suppose this is x, so this one is 2x. That is already given in your textbook, that the side which is along the river, it is parallel to and twice of the length of whatever that is along with the road side. That is mentioned in your question. So let's see. Area of field is given 10,500, height is given 100 meter, length of side along with road, that is x, because we don't know the measurement, and along with river, that is twice of whatever length along with road, so 2x. Now we apply the formula. Area is equal to height divided by 2 and multiply sum of two parallel sides. So 10,500 is equal to, this is 100 divided by 2, x plus 2x. Do the calculation. This 2 will go here as a multiplication and 100 as a division. 2 0 will cancel. 105 into 2 will give you 210. So x is equal to what? 210 divided by 3. 70. 3 sevens are 70. This is the measurement of land along with road. So along with river, 2x means what? 2x is equal to 2 multiplied by 70, which give you 140 meters. So this is, the answer is 140 meters. This is all about your question number 8. Move on to the next question. Question number 9. See question number 9. Top surface of a raised platform is in the shape of octagon, regular octagon as shown in the figure. Find the area of the octagonal surface. So regular octagon means what? It's each and every line segments has the same measurement. Okay, so this is the information which is given in your textbook. This is in the shape of trapezium, so the bottom is also in the shape of trapezium, so measurement is almost equal. Okay, so when you divide this octagon into three parts, so first part is your trapezium, this is your rectangle, and this is again your trapezium. So we have to find the area of two trapezium and one rectangle. When you club them, you will get the total area of this octagon. Now see the measurement. This measurement is given 5 meter, means all length of this octagon is of 5 centimeter. Now this distance is 11 meters. Okay, so this is the one side of this trapezium and the opposite side is 5 centimeter. Both the line segments are parallel to each other. So now see how to find this area. So area of octagon, just give the name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So now we divide this into three parts, that is two trapezium and one rectangle. So area of trapezium, top that is ABCD and bottom that is EFGH, plus area of rectangle that is ADEH. Now we apply the formula for trapezium, height divided by 2 multiplied by sum of two parallel sides. So your height is given 4 meter. So 4 divided by 2 into 11 plus 5 plus 4 divided by 2 into 11 plus 5. 2 times area of trapezium plus area of rectangle, that is length into breadth, that is 11 into 5. Now solve this. When you solve this, for this it is 32, for this it is 32 plus 11 into 5 will give you 55. Do the addition, you will get the answer 119 meter square. This is the area of given regular octagonal surface. Okay, now move on to the next question. Question number 10. See the 10th question. There is a pentagonal shaped park is as shown in the diagram. For finding its area, Jyoti and Kavita divided it into two different ways. So for that we have to find the area for this park. Let's see how to solve this. So this is the diagram, actual diagram, for which we have to find the area. Here Jyoti has divided the whole diagram into from the middle. So both the shapes are in the trapezium shape, and we have to find the area of trapezium here, where this is the 30 meter, this side is 15 meter, and the height, when you divide the total length is 15 meter, that is divided into two equal parts. So the height of this trapezium becomes 7.5 meter. And for this parallel side the measurement is 15 meter, and for this parallel side the measurement is 30 meter. So for Jyoti's area of trapezium, here both the trapeziums are of same measure. So twice of area of trapezium, so 2 into h by 2, sum of parallel sides. Substitute the value 2 into 7.5 divided by 2 into 15 plus 30. When you solve this, you will get the answer 337.5 meter square. This is how Jyoti has calculated. Now Kavita has divided the whole diagram like this. Upper portion is divided in such a way that the shape of that is in triangle, and this one is your square. So now area of this triangle plus area of this square. This is the way how Kavita has calculated. So area of triangle is 1/2 into base into height plus area of square, that is L into L. Substitute the value 1/2 into 15 into 15 plus L into L, that is 15 into 15. Now the total length is 30 meter and this much is 15 meter. So how will you calculate this one? 30 minus 15 will give you 15. This way you can calculate the height of this triangle. Now after substituting the values, we just do the calculation. 15 into 15, 225 divided by 2 plus 15 into 15, 225. When you do the division, you will get the 112.5 plus 225 will give you 337.5 meter square. Both the way if you calculate and observe the answer, both the answers are equal. There is no other way to find the area of this particular diagram. So this is all about your question number 10. Move on to the last question. See the last question, question number 11. The question is, diagram of the adjoining picture frame has outer dimension 24 into 28 cm and inner dimension 16 into 20 cm. Find the area of each section of the frame if the width of each section is same. So what is given? I have already drawn the diagram. Now all the dimensions are given. All the shapes, if you look at, so all the shapes are in trapezium shape. So we have to find the area of trapezium. In that we have to just see what is the height. So here height is not mentioned in the question. So height we have to find. How we will find? So here it is, the dimension of this is 16 cm and the total dimension is 24 cm. When you do the subtraction, 24 minus 16, that is 8, means 4 this side, 4 this side. So 4 is your height of the trapezium. Okay. So here also this is 28 and 20. When you do the subtraction, your answer is 8. So 4 from this side, 4 from this side, you have to reduce to get this rectangle. So this way you can find the width. And here width is same for all the trapezium. This, how many trapeziums are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. In that 1, 2 both are same and 3 and 4 shape are same. All are trapezium but the measurement is different. So now area of 1 and 2 shapes are same. So area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 h. We just name it A and B. So sum of parallel sides, that is A plus B. 1 by 2 into 4, 20 plus 28. Do the calculation, you will get the answer 96 cm square. So this is area of second trapezium is also 96 cm square. Now area of third and fourth shapes are equal. So area of trapezium is equal to 1/2 h. Give the name C and D. Sum of parallel sides, that is C plus D. Substitute the value 1/2 into 4, 16 plus 24. Do the calculation, 2 into 40 will give you 80 cm square. So area of third shape, that is third trapezium, and fourth trapezium is 80 cm square. So this way we can solve question number 11. So this is all about your exercise 11.2.